Good morning, gamers. Today's the last day of the Cayman Islands trip. I'm probably about to go get some breakfast and then head back down to the beach for a little bit. And then, we'll see, I guess. I don't know. So, I'm a liar, and I didn't end up eating anything, but I am going to go down to the beach, since today is the last day. It's the last day. I'm going to miss this. Alrighty, so we just got back from the beach. We're about to go to lunch at another coastal place, I think. I don't know exactly where we're gonna go, but it should be pretty good. This is the last day for all this. It's bittersweet. I miss home, but I really enjoyed this. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate your overall experience?
An 8.
Why was it not a 10?
I wish we could have done more.
Yeah.
Went to Stingray Island, went snorkeling, went to Atlantis to go see the coral fish, stuff like that.
That definitely would have been cool. I really don't want to go back.
I low-key, if our dogs were here, I wouldn't.
Yeah. If our dogs were here, it would be a whole different story. But we do have dogs that we love and cherish, so we gotta go back ASAP.
Yep.
So this is what it's like to be in the American driver's seat, but have no steering wheel, because it's over there. Weirdo.
There's a couple in there for you, bub. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
So what happened?
We just got gas in the Cayman Islands. The gentleman comes out, he asks me what we want. I tell him, he pumps it, we pay him, now we're off.
So we're actually back at the place that we're staying. We went out to go shopping, but it's Sundays and like everything is closed. Not sure why. Probably because it is Sunday, but literally everything's closed. We ended up going to one souvenir shop that was open, and I bought a few things for some people, but we're back now. We're probably just gonna chill until our flight comes. Alright, so we're at the airport and we're about to take the private jet back to the States. We have to stop in Indianapolis to go through customs, but then we'll land at our private strip when we get back. So we actually just stopped into Indy to go through customs. That's the customs place right there. We're about to fly back to Westfield, and I'm probably not going to record that landing because it's literally 10 minutes away. Goodbye, old friend. Alright, so we landed and we're in the Westfield area, and we're about to head home, and we might get some dinner. I don't know. Alright guys, so we're back home. I'm actually in the dark because I'm about to go to bed, and I'm being lit up by the light from my TV. But it was a very, very good trip, and I'm so grateful to be able to have that experience and to have documented it all on these last few videos that you've been watching. But I think that I definitely want to start doing some more stuff like this, and if you guys did enjoy it, let me know, because I'd love to edit it and film it and put it all together for you like I've done with this one. But I am about to head to bed because I do unfortunately have school tomorrow. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like on the video, and in the comments below let me know where you want to see me go next, as long as it's within a good, price range. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be trying to do more stuff like this, and turn on the little bell notification because apparently that helps people get my videos out there. I don't know. I'm gonna go to bed, so I hope each and every one of you had an amazing day today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.